Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will walk you through the very important thing, which is how to print a check in our ChequeMaster check printing software. So let's get started. Let's open our software, and to print a check, you must have checkbooks created. So let's go to checkbook. Okay, here you can see we have total 6 checkbooks already created. If you want to understand, or if you want to know how to create or modify checkbooks, we already have a separate video on it. Please go and check it out. Okay, right now we will directly move to the print check related things. Okay, so right now we have 6 checkbooks created. So to print the check, let's go to print check page. Yeah, so here you can see each and every checkbooks are listed. Here you can see our all checkbooks are listed. In top level you will see the name of the bank, and under that bank you will see each and every checkbooks are listed. Right now only 5 checkbooks are listed. One checkbook is missing. Let's see what is the issue. Yeah, here you can see this checkbook is marked as finished. That means each and every check of this checkbook are already printed, and that's why we have marked this checkbook as finished. So it is recommended that you mark checkbook as finished once you are done with printing all the check, so that you won't see that checkbook listed here. Okay, now we have all each and every checkbooks are available. Now you need to select the checkbook which you want to print the check for. So you can select any checkbook by clicking it on click it on the name of the books. I want to print the checks for this checkbook. Okay, so I have clicked on here. Okay, now on right side you will see each and every checks, and with all the details, each and every check which I printed previously are also listed here. You can see every 50 all 50 checks are listed here, which its status is. You can see the history of the previous checks also. Okay, now uh, also you can see here at the top the summary of the checks. Right now 4 checks are issued, one is missed, one is cancelled, and 44 checks are still unused. Also, if you want to filter the check, or if you want to filter this table, you can do it like here. Let's say if you want to see only issued checks, and click issued, and it will see only issued checks now. And if you want to see the cancel check, then you will just see show you the cancel check. But right now I want to see all checks, so I will click all. Okay, now you are seeing each and every checks are listed here. Yeah, so let's say we want to print our next check, which is 1032 number. So we need to click on the print button. Okay, this will open a pop-up here. This pop-up will be used to print any check. So here we have two options to print check, which is we can print on front side, and also we can see on the back side. We'll come to the back side later. So let's continue with the print on front side. Okay, so here you need to select the payee for which you want to issue the check. Okay, here you can select any payee. Okay, and if your payee is not listed here, you can click on add payee. Let's say you enter any name. Okay, here you need to enter the city and click save. Now you can see that page added and also selected here. In next thing, you need to enter amount. You can enter amount, let's say 15,690 rupees. Now you need to select the date which will be printed on the check. Let's select the date. Let's say we want to uh, print the date like 3rd April. So yes, this date is selected. Yeah, these are the extra lines that I will explain later. Okay, here is the narration. This will not be printed anywhere in the check. Okay, this is just for our reference. Like let's say if you want to save something like paid against some invoice. So you can write something like this. This is just for our reference and will not be printed anywhere. Yeah. Now here we need to select the print direction. We already have a separate video on the print direction setup. Okay, so we will not go in detail on this. So we have selected this option vertical center. That means you need to put your check as vertical and center in your printer tray like shown in this image. Okay, now we have filled all the details, and now we'll click on save and print. Okay, once you click on save and print, it will ask you to choose the printer. Okay, here all your printers will be listed. Click on the printer and click print. Okay, once you click print, the print will be done. Okay, and also if you don't want to print the check, just want to save it, then just click on save. Okay, now we have successfully printed this check. uh, you will see the check is printed like this. Yeah, you should see check will be printed something like this. Okay, this is one of the printed check of mine. Now let's see some other options. Now you don't need to close it. If you want to close it, you can do. Now you can see that this check is issued to this setting, this person. Okay, now you can do next print. Here you can see the traverse, the easy traverse here. If you want to move to previous check, let's say it is 32 number, it will now 31 number. And if you want to move to next check, you can directly go from here. So you don't need to close this pop-up and select from here. Everything can be managed from here directly. Also, if you click this arrow, then you will see the list of all the checks here. So you can click any check and you can directly go to the print. Let's say we want to print the check number 36. Just select it, fill the details, and just hit print or save. Okay, and that check will be printed. Yeah, so you can see that these checks are printed. Now we have another option to print check in bulk. So you can do bulk check printing. So for this, if you notice here, here is the one line that is saying you need to click plus or minus to add or remove check in bulk printing. So if you want to bulk print some any check, then first you need to fill the details by clicking this print, and you need to fill the details. And once you fill the details, you will see that plus icon or plus button here. So let's add some check to the bulk print. If you notice that when I click on plus, this button is appeared now, and it is saying that you have currently added two prints for two checks for the bulk print. Let's say I want to print these three checks in bulk. So now you can see here our three checks are mentioned here for bulk print. If you want to remove, then just click on minus and it will be removed. Okay, now let's click on bulk print. Yeah, now you can see all our three checks are listed here, which are going in bulk printing. Now you have to make sure that you have inserted checks in this sequence. First it will be 30 number check, then 31, and then 32. So it will be printed in this sequence. Now before you click on start printing, make sure you have selected correct printer, because it won't ask you to select any printer for the bulk check printing. So make sure you have selected correct printer, and then you can click on start printing. So once you click on start printing, it will start the bulk printing process, and all three checks will be printed here, and you will see the status will be listed here. Yeah, so this is very simple, and this is how you can manage and you can print the check very easily in this system. Now one more thing, you have noticed that we have some extra lines mentioned here, and we have some more settings like hiding these things like hide bearer, hide page. So let me show you, let me print one check and show you how it is looking. So let's print this check, and let me print it as a PDF. Let me select center setting, and let me save it. Let me show you as a PDF. Let me show save as test. Yeah. Now let's open it. Now you can see this check is printed like this. Okay. Now this check don't have any additional details. Okay. Let's see, we want to print some additional details like paid against invoice number 123, or not about tax, or if you want to add some more details. So let's see how you can do this. So for that you have to go to edit check layout. Okay, let's go to edit check layout. Now we will add more things. Let's say we want to print not above tax. So let's say I want to print something like not above 1 lakh or something, that then will be printed here. Also I want to print some extra lines. Let's say I want to print some extra things like not above or paid against invoice or something. Okay, so I have enabled those settings in the check layout. Now let me save it. Let's go to checkbook and let's print the same check again. Okay, now let's we add something here like uh, invoice number 123, and let's save and print. Let me save it now with name test 2. Here it is. Yeah, now you can see, here it has printed the extra details, which is extra lines, invoice number 123, and now it has automatically printed not above tax. Also you can see it has printed 70,000 in not above. Okay, so this is how you can print some additional details in checkmaster also. Now if you want to hide some in some cases we don't want to print dates, or in some cases we don't want to print pay name on the check. So these settings are also available. Let's say we want to hide pay name, also we want to hide the date. If you want to hide extra lines, then you can click on hide button or hide checkbox here. Okay, so let's see, I want to hide the bearer also, and now let's me save this check again. And now let's check how it has remove some additional or some extra detail. Okay, now this check is saved. Okay, now you see this is the our previous check, and now this is what we have. Okay, now you can see we have removed pay name, we have removed date, and we have also removed this bearer cross mark. Okay, so this is how you can manage print related things by using these checkboxes. Yeah, that's it. So hope this is very informative, and now you understand how you quickly can print checks using checkmaster software. Please contact us if you have any queries through our contact us page. We also have our WhatsApp number. Yeah, so thank you and see you in the next video.